Nah, wouldn't you know it? It's gone. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got an email from one of my users groups that said the CB radio band was open. And so I thought, well, maybe if the CB band is open, maybe the 10-meter amateur radio band is open or working. And so I tuned to the 10-meter band, which starts, the voice starts at about 28.3 megahertz. Nothing down there. So I thought, well, for the heck of it, I'll go up to the CB band, and sure enough, those guys are on the radio. Let me let you listen, or try to listen to them. Some kind of noise. Probably 3 or 4 people on top of each other. There's another signal over here. This guy is really busy. Let me go back to him and see if I can tune him in. Should be right there. It should be channel, I don't know, one of the channels, 27.025. Let me go back to 10-meter band, be 2803 about, or 28.3, excuse me. And do I see any transmissions over here? Let me turn the audio on. No. Don't really see anything strong. No, I guess it's another fail on my account. I can't catch anything on 10 meters to save my life. So anyway, it was a try. I had hopes that since the CB band was so-called open, that maybe the 10-meter band would also be active, but it's not. Anyway, have a great day. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.